I'm Kirtana Pennai. Today I'm going to talk about Mirabai John who bags the first medal for India in Tokyo Olympics. Mirabai John who made a history by winning the silver medal for India on very first day of Tokyo Olympics. Born on 8th August 1994 in the Nopakochi in Palmanipur, Sikkim, Mirabai John was always center of the attention in her city because of her talent sportive performance. As a girl of her relative could gauge her talent from the early age of 12. Jana tested her first success in the Glasgow version of the Commonwealth Games where she won a silver medal in 48 kg weight category. With that, John qualified for the 2016 Rio Olympics in the women's 48 kg class. However, she failed to complete the event because of no it lift in any of her three tries in smooth and jug section. In 2017, she won a gold medal in the women's 48 kg class with the aid of lifting the opposition fail under 94 kg overall, 85 kg in crabs and 109 kg in smooth and jug. In 2017 World Weightlifting Championship in the NMAC United States. In 2021, Mirabai Janu became the first female Indian weightlifter to qualify for 2021 Summer Games with the aid of securing the second role in the 49 kg class. She saw a lot of determination after her failure in the first attempt of Rio Olympics. The 27-year-old lifted 86 kg in cups after which created an infield with the aid of lifting an edge 119 kg in the smooth and jug for totally of 205 kg, which gained her a bronze medal in the prize tag of Tokyo Olympics. Janu lifted totally of 196 kg, 86 kg in snatch and 110 kg in the clear and jugs to win the primary gold medal for India in Commonwealth Games 2018. En route to the medal, she broke a video game file for the load class. The attempt additionally marked her non-public additional performance. She gained a bronze in clear and jugs at the 49 kg category in 2019 Asian Weightlifting Championship. The overall weight of 199 kg turned into the exceptional ever and she simply negged out the bronze medal as the stretch weight turned into decrease than 0.33 region athlete. Each of whom made an equal overall. At 2019 World Weightlifting Championship, Mirabai lifted totally of 201 kg, 87 kg in snatch and 14 kg in clear and jerk to complete fourth. Thus, non-public expression overall additionally created a brand new country-wide file in 49 kg class. She broke her non-public file once more 4 months later, which she lifted 203 kg, 88 kg in snatch and 150 kg in clear and jerk. In that 49 kg class to win the gold medal in the 2020 Senior National Weightlifting Championship. Janu gained the gold medal at the 2020 Summer Olympics in Tokyo, turning into the first Indian weightlifter to win the silver in Olympics. Winning a silver medal in 49 kg weightlifting with a complete carry of 202 kg. John controlled herself to raise the complete of 202 kg in the women's 49 kg class to turn out to be the second one Indian weightlifter after the Kana Maheshwari to win the Olympics medal. John was verified with the aid of Chief Minister of Manipur N. Bilin Singh, who provided her with the prize money of 2 billion. She abided India's maximum civilized sports activities on her Rajiv Gandhi L Ratna for 2018. She is also recipient of Padma Shri. In 2019, she gained a gold medal at Qatar International Cup after lifting 194 kg. Mirabai Janu first showcased her capability at the worldwide level where she earned a silver medal in 48 kg class at the 2014 Commonwealth Games in Glasgow, Scotland at the age of 20. Mirabai gained a gold medal at the World Weightlifting Championship in the Anaheim, USA in 2017. Janu suffered the low back injury in 2018, make her unable to participate in any international games. However, she made a fantastic backcome in 2019 in the World Championship in Thailand. Despite the completing a fourth, she made a occasion memorable through the surpassing the 200 kg mark for the first time in the degree after winning silver at the 2021 Asian Weightlifting Championship in the Tajik in April. Mirabai Janu set the new world record in the women's 49 kg smooth and jack with a boost of 119 kg. Delight after the winning the silver, Janu said that there are many suffer being the end success. By Kyle Willy Saravana Selvam. Thank you.